Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Welcome to my channel. Today's episode is going to be on how to make a headboard, and I got most of my supplies from the dollar store or stuff that I already had around the house. So pretty simple, pretty cheap, and I think when you're done it's super cute. So I did my own, and I'm going to show you a picture of that, and then I'm going to just go through the steps with you on how to do that. And if you guys have any questions or comments or whatever, just let me know and we will go from there. Okay, so here comes the picture. Okay guys, so you saw the picture of the headboard, and this is it right behind me. Okay, so all I did was I used 6 foam boards from the Dollar Tree, and I put those together. Okay, and I used hot glue. I used a hot glue gun and got that together. Waited about 24 hours to make sure that it was gonna hold. You can also try to use a staple gun. I don't know if that's gonna work out or not, but you can give it a shot. Then I covered it with, it's just the top sheet that I use for my bed, because actually I never use a top sheet. I can't stand it. It just gets all tangled up and gets on my freaking nerves. So I was like, well, fuck it, I'm just gonna use that because it matches my bottom sheet, you know what I mean? So why not? Anyway, so I cut that to size, and then I did use a staple gun onto that, but I also used this glue that I got from the dollar store. Okay, so you could also use a fabric glue. It should all work out the same. And then once I had that covered and made sure it looked okay. I also ironed it before I put it up because it was a little wrinkly. And then I went around the border with this, but obviously I used purple. Now, if you also can see in there, I used black. Sorry, Fifi's barking. She saw a dog or something. Now, I couldn't find any black, so I just spray painted some other ones that I did have into a black, and then I cut them down to size and went around the border. Okay, and then I also had this ribbon. It's super pretty. Can you see it? Oh my goodness, I love it. It's black and rhinestone. And so I got that from the Dollar General or General Dollar, whatever you call it. Anyway, I got it there. I think it was like $3, and I had to buy 2 rolls. So then it came in like a wider size, but I cut it down, and then I made the pattern with it. And on the back side, you'll see these little stickery deals. Okay, so those are just these like 2-sided, I don't want to call them glue dots, but they're like, just adhesives that you can get, where the suction cups and stuff like that are, and the Velcro, it's over there in that section. So it's like, it's not double-sided tape, it's stronger than that, but it works out pretty good. So that's pretty much it, guys. I just went around the border and made a pattern. You can do whatever colors or size or whatever you want. I actually made that too big, but I don't know, I kind of like it now. I'm used to it. So Anyway, that's it for today's show. It was a nice and quick one. I hope everything is going well with you guys, and I hope you're having fantastic, super awesome lives. And that's pretty much it for me tonight. I got to get ready to go to work, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, all of the above. That would be awesome. See you guys.